Here's a little bit of an update on the 87 Dodge project that I'm working on. So I got the inner fenders all sandblasted and primed. They're at the Rhino Guard place getting Rhino guarded. Hopefully get those next week sometime. But I put a spacer on my carburetor a couple days ago and also cleaned the carburetor. A little bit of dirt in there. I think there was a little bit of dirt in the gas tank. So I did that. We found out that the cab mounts, as you can see, we took it out, the one that was on this side, because it's rotten. So we gotta do the other one on this side. This one's not as bad, but we ordered some off of eBay for 170 bucks Canadian for a pair. And last night we did that, and this is what the old one looks like. It's all corroded and friggin' nothing left of it. Wasn't that bad to get out. It only took about an hour to get it out, which is actually not too bad. The truck's supported by a piece of 2x4. We got the jack under here just for safety purposes. I'll show you. We have to, I'll grab a light. It's a little bit too dark in there. So we have to replace a little bit of the floor here. I already did a little bit when the first time I did this, but we're gonna patch it up again, which is it's not that bad. Of course, it's got to be the driver's side because that's everybody. Driver's side is the most popular one to get it in and out with salt and snowy boots and all that nonsense. Probably get a cut from like here, make a big square, and just use that metal right there. Because the rest of the cab is not too bad. All right, I already did this the first time I put the cab on the truck, but I wasn't too concerned about it before. But now, since I got more time and we're there, might as well just do her. So yeah, we're gonna rip everything out of the cab, and we're gonna roll up the carpet and the insulation there and start sanding it all down, and then we're gonna paint it all up black again. I might use like a Rhino Guard stuff in here. I think that would look pretty cool and durable. But other than that, that's all I've done to it so far. Just the carb stuff, and removed that cab mount last night. So maybe tonight or some other day we might, like I said, take out the carpet, well, the rug and the seat out of the inside here, and tape up the dash so we don't get any dust and debris in there. So yeah, I think she's gonna look like a pretty sweet truck when it's done. I'm excited to drive it again. I haven't driven it all year this year. Like I said, I want to get it ready for a car show next year. So yeah, thanks for watching.